Hi everyone, and welcome to the very first tutorial that I've created for this group. This is a super quick, hopefully it will be quick, tutorial on how to make your WordPress menu slightly more interesting and a little bit more fun. This is quite an easy method. I did say that it was code free, but I lied. However, I am going to provide all of the codes that you need and tell you exactly where to put it. This is very quickly what we will be covering. We are going to discover how to use icons to improve your menu. What are icon fonts? The secret free icons that already exist in WordPress, and how to access and use these. So this is a quick example of what I mean. This is a brand new WordPress website that is using the default theme, and I have added these 4 little cute icons to the standard menu. It makes such a difference having them there compared to the regular version, which has no icons at all. So if I flip between these, you can see the icons just stand out a little bit and they kind of make you want to click a little bit more. Now, usually if you want to add icons to WordPress, people will say, oh, go straight to FontAwesome, which is this service here. Now, it's a really popular service. Some of it is free, some of it you have to pay for, but it is externally hosted, so it will make your website a little bit slow. You can also download your own icons from a service like FlatIcon, but this will also add a little bit of extra bloat to your site. What people don't know is that WordPress comes with this really nice set of icons that you've probably seen in your dashboard and in your admin menus, but you can actually use these on the front of your site very, very easily. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you log into WordPress. This is a local WordPress install, or my password would not be that short. And to add, you can actually use these icons anywhere, but if you want to add them to your menu, you just go to the menu screen and you go to edit one of these navigation labels, and then you're going to go back to the WordPress developer documentation, which lists all of these icons, and you're going to find the one that you want. So I wanted a little house, so I'm going to find the little house wherever it is. I've probably missed it. Here it is. Oh, it's right at the top. Okay, so I want to use this little house, and I'm going to copy the HTML. Brings this up. You're going to copy it and paste it right in front. And it's probably best if you put a little space in between the icon, the end of the code, and the word. So you paste it and then put a space, and then save your menu. Then if I go now over here to refresh, you'll see that that little house icon is next to it. And you can use that code, you can copy and paste that HTML wherever you like, anywhere in your WordPress site. However, these are dash icons. They are not designed to actually load on the front end of your site like this. You have to do a little bit of messing with your theme. So if you have a child theme on your site, you can do this. If you don't, then I don't recommend you do this, because if your theme updates, you will lose the change that you made. So if you have a child theme, under the appearance menu, you go to your theme editor, and it's going to give you a warning. It's going to say basically, you're in this section because you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you could actually break your site. So don't do anything that you're not sure of. And if anything does happen to break your site, you just undo what you did. It's generally okay. So you're going to hit that I understand button, and you're going to look for a file called functions.php. And you're going to make sure this 5 lines of code here that I'm going to provide in the comments is at the very, very bottom of your functions file. What this does is this makes sure that the dash icons, which are all of these icons you see here, will actually be available for the front end of the site. If you don't do this, then only people who are logged in will see your icons. So you can use these as many as you like. You can find whatever ones that you like. Just say you want this like nice little music note. You click copy HTML, copy it there, go back to your menus, go to the bit where you want to add the symbol, paste it, put a space, save the menu, and then refresh the page to see it in action. And just to show you that this does work, if you're logged out, if I log out here and I try and visit the site, the icons have stayed there. However, if I go back, this will tell me to log in now, I'm sure, yeah. And if I delete this code here, so this is really key to getting it to work. If that code is not there, and I log out again, those icons will not display on the front end. So it's really important that you do both of those steps. And if you don't have a child theme, I'm going to be creating a tutorial really soon on how you can create a child theme for your site. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If there's anything that you would like me to cover in my next one, please let me know. Otherwise, if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll make sure that I answer them. Have fun!